Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Jan Brothers in Canada. We are back with a new video wherein we will be showing you amazing fireworks. There's an event called Celebration of Lights which happens every year, and this is the video about the Mexico fireworks. Fun fact about this fireworks is that even though the firework timings are like 10 p.m. in the night, people start coming here at 4 or 5 to grab the best spot. Another fun fact about these fireworks is that these lightings, they have an effect. They sync with the music in the background. So you can tune in your FM and you will see that it is synced with the song. The total duration of the fireworks is 25 minutes. It starts at 10 and it finishes at 10:25. So these are some amazing shots which we took. I hope you enjoyed the video. And after the fireworks, you will see that everyone starts heading back to their home. There are long queues, but it's fun watching this fireworks. So I would recommend everyone to watch fireworks if you are in Canada, in Vancouver. Thank you everyone. Have a good day.